channel, and we're kicking it off with a weekend vlog as per usual, because you know the weekends are always a turn around here. Sir, keep your biscuit bag out of my video, please. So you guys, we're heading on the road today. As you can see, a girl is somewhat glammed. Oh my god, over this look. Your lip them dry, but you need some lip balm. You see it? You need a little lip balm. All I have lip gloss though. So you guys, as you can see, I did a little thing, I did a little beat on the face. I did a little thing with the hair. I'm doing like a little ponytail, and guys, this is a wig. Right, this is a wig. I've been seeing this trend going around with, you know, basically using your wigs to make ponytails, and I tried a little thing. It never turned out too bad. I kind of like the vibe that it's giving. What happened, Booty? Want to open this now? So yeah guys, on the road today. Open this like after the box. Alright, here you go. Don't mess up yourself, alright? So you guys, we're on the road today and we're taking the boys out for a post-birthday celebration. As I mentioned in the last vlog, it's this little one's birthday. Happy belated birthday, Jamie! So he turned 3 the other day. Say hi! Drop a bit for me. Baba, all the way, Bugsy. So yeah, his birthday was on Monday, so... What?
You gotta swimwear, man. I can't skincare.
Well, your face look nice still. What the brand name? Tell people, put the people on the skincare. But we can't see the results, like literally your face clear, brightening your face clear that minute.
That's a big quality, man.
But I'm seeing the results.
But I release it in my YouTube video.
Young man, goodbye. So here guys, we're doing a post-birthday celebration. We're taking them to the zoo. But newsflash, it's raining. Let me show y'all, it's raining. We're somewhere indoors. Say hi, how are you?
Hi. You're the video.
Subscribe.
Hello. What are you doing?
Javi, where we're going?
We're going to the birthday.
No, we're not going to any birthday. It's a surprise. When we get there, you'll see, okay?
Alright, you're not looking to the box.
What?
You're look to the box. You're being cheating.
If I look at the box, I'm cheating? Okay. Are you excited,
Don't look
Javi?
on the box. You never be cheating.
He wants to see. Jamie, you can't show him down here. He look at you.
Why is your man saying that? David, don't show no one.
Let me take one general. I'm going to show you my underwear.
Alright, he's gonna show you. You see it? You happy now? Come on, where it was. You guys are weird. So yeah, we're here. It's still sunny, so it was raining when we left home, but it's sunny now, thank God. Turn this down a little, sorry. Arms are looking good. Hold your brother hand.
What? I don't want it.
Hold your Auntie Janelle's hand. Auntie, I've been nice on here. Look at his face. Oh, what's your nephew? Alright. Look at the fishy. Look at them could have steamed them with some cracker.
Paris.
So we're at the parrot. So this is the, well, on the parrot to back side, the scarlet macaw. So it's a macaw, baby. He's going all the way up. One of him can talk.
Say hello. Hello. Let's see the.
Yeah.
Let's see the giraffe. Let's find the giraffe.
Wait, it's not giraffe time. We have to take it in stages. So we're looking at the parrots first and then we'll move on, okay? Say hi to the vlog. You see it, huh? So guys, I'm gonna give you a little outfit of the day.
See the giraffe.
Soon to the giraffe. I'm gonna give you a little outfit of the day. I'm wearing this little black dress, super cute, super cute, and some sneakers. So we're all matching. We're all in white sneakers. Come boys, let's give an outfit of the day. What are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Animal clothes.
Come Javi. What are you wearing?
Animal clothes.
This is not no animal clothes. You're wearing a white tee that says Mom's Main Man, right?
Yes.
And some black pants and some sneakers. Jamir is basically wearing the same thing. Jamie, let me see your shirt. So it says Mama is my queen. Got the black jeans, come baby, and some sneakers, right? Jason, what are you wearing?
You know, I'm wearing my Tommy Hilfiger shirt. It's black jeans. I will tell you, I'm not putting you on.
It's the sneakers. Okay, Janelle. What else are you wearing?
My beard.
Where you get it from? Amazon? Where you got it? Janelle, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a burgundy shirt.
We got it. Where you got it? Where you got it?
I don't know.
Amazon? Yeah, manage. Okay, my outfit. So as I said, I'm wearing this little black dress and some sneakers and my purse from Ethnic Couture. Get it right, get it right.
Oh boy.
That's the flamingo. Well, no, that's actually a duck.
It is a duck. It is a duck.
See the duck? And the flamingos are all the way over there, I think. They're right here. Look. See them? Duckies right here, Jamie. Look. Duckies. Yeah. They smell bad. They smell bad. She's not gonna bite it. No, it's duck.
See flamingos over there.
Come, Jenny, I have to walk with me.
Oh, I'm
Walk
so
with me,
sorry. I'm so sorry.
So yes, I have employed a vlogger for the day, so she'll be vlogging for her. So we just saw the duckies, flamingos, and some macaws. Jesse, have a map? Who is that? So yeah, you want them to go to the playground now or afterwards?
After.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Guys, so if you're a good boy today, you get ice cream afterwards, okay?
Oh, we will go to the playground.
Soon. My fair friend them up and promise them ice cream. But yeah guys, let's walk. See there's some animals. Okay, we're getting ice cream after if you're a good boy.
But I want to go to the playground, we be the good boy.
Alright, soon go to the playground. So yeah guys, catch you in a few.
Yeah, good enough, you know, man.
This way to the lion? How did you know it was a lion? How you spell lion?
L-I-O-N.
Good job, Javi. You're so smart. Javi, we just went to the lion. Please to come back over here. Alright, well, after we see the monkeys and the snakes, we'll come back out to the lions, alright? Let's go. Go with your daddy. Jamaican walk so. Yo. Don't do that, bro. At the little monkeys. Yeah, you see him? He's all the way up there. So one here, bomba, chin look at face. Yeah. So we're entering the snake's pit. Beware of the crocodiles. So you have an American crocodile right there. Okay. He's wrapped up like a ball. That's a python. It says a ball. He's right over there, guys. Sleeping maybe. Come, let's go look at the other snakes. That one says a ball python. You see him in the outfit, no? Right, it's supposed them escape. them like them a hide or something. Oh crap, I'm not right on the tree.
I don't know if there's anyone in there because I never see that one. Shanice,
They're afraid of snake.
I'm afraid of everything.
So what? These are just like mini crocodiles, my reason. What the heck? No sir. Look at him, Bootsy. You see him? He's huge.
I'm so scared.
You're scared? Come baby, it's fine. Come this way. Go in. Not a coffin at the zoo. You take a look at selfie, yeah? With the ear, no mommy night. I think this is the end of the tour, if I'm not mistaken. Be careful. Give me a hand. You okay? What else is there to see? Careful, Bugsy. Oh, there's like cows. What the hell? And goats. I guess this is like a petting zoo. Javi, stay far from that thing. I might invite you. Hey. Not so close, not so close, not so close. There's literally a cow. You see him? He's eating.
Where's the big cow?
There's a big cow and they have like goats up there and chickens. It's huge. You see the chicken? Get the chicken! Get him! He escaped.
Come here.
Come, Bugsy, you're going this way. You saw the cow?
Yeah.
What else did you see?
I got chicken.
Saw the chicken, but the chicken run left your man.
Alright, go for your bag.
Alright, let's go get something to eat. You hungry? Alright, let's go get some food. My hand. See your brother find friends are over this play. You see him? He's so friendly. He finds friends wherever he goes. So yeah guys, we're going to find some food now. The skin is skinning. Not really, it's just really oily right now because of the sun and I've been sweating, so like all the oils are coming out. But yeah, we saw most of the animals. And I think that's it for the day. What's over here? Peacocks. Oh, it's a big old turtle. So this is a turtle then?
I see tortoise.
Tortoise. And then you have the peacock over here. He's huge. Look at him, Javi. What's him move fast? Let me know what they will feel like. Ask you. The shell around him back. What? How much money that? One money, what you buying with it? Hot dog and juice? Okay. Javi, what you want to eat? What you want?
Nothing. But and I want to just run away. But Daddy said no.
What Daddy said?
Daddy said don't run away. But I want to play.
Oh, you want to roll on the grass? Javi, you can't roll on the grass.
But I want to fly, but it's not working.
Alright, go to your father.
I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want you to know that you are the special. I just want.
Okay, open it. Huh? Where you get money from? Money. The daddy pocket. Have money too. Come, sanitize. Open it. Rub them together. Come, Johnny. Rub. Casey. So we just got some food and we're here grabbing. Get to them. Show them guys. I laugh off of me. You know? Rule the day. Rule the day. Them are the 1 million subscribers, reckoning in a million a month. shopping this evening. But yeah, guys, I got a hot dog. They didn't have much condiments, so it's got like ketchup, mustard. No, they never have no mustard. Mayo and some relish. What you got, Jamie?
Hot dog.
What you got, Javi?
Juice.
Juice. How is it? You like the hot dog?
Yeah.
It's yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can eat your fries. I got some fries as well. And some orange juice. What else I can eat? Take your time. And cherry juice. Alright, we have to pay for feed them. You see them have to take a petting zoo? You have to buy the feed. The feed them, Emma?
I guess for the opportunity.
$1,000 for feed turtle. Buy turtle food when I think come. Come have them up so. Come on the zoo, come feed the animals. It's an expensive food. So guys, I touch you. And I'm done.
Yes, people, it is me recording Couture Shanz. My YouTube inspiration, you know, she inspired me to start my skincare routine channel. Yeah, my skincare routine channel. Yeah, so she inspired me to talk like this as well. So this is why I talk like this.
Where are they?
No,
Where are they? I'm gonna watch this back in the next year. So guys, we're at the playground currently with the kiddies. Them are gonna play, so come put them from the side.
yeah, so my YouTube role model, Couture Shanz.
We're gonna catch you. Sit. No, down your feet. You take one first. Oh, careful. 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 He's coming down. Side. Good job, Johnny. Your brother going to back here.
Overall. Jammer, make sure you hold on in a boat.
Okay, so let's try out this swing thing. Woo! Woo! Yo, long time I don't go for that swing, you know? Feels so cool. Guys, we're at the playground. Listen, we're still a bun up. Javi, are you okay up there? Can you go over to the other side? Yo, pre them with this thing. I want to go in. I'm gonna try go in and see if you Janet, you're going in there. Oh, you're going on the swing. Careful, Bugsy. Jason, go on it with him now. Go on it with him. I'm going to look for Jamie. Jamie in the car. Jamie, are you driving the car? Driving? Drive, let me see. Pressing the gas. Good job. Where are you going? Can I come? Can I come on the bus? Hi, where are we going? Hi, afternoon. Where are we going? We're going to drive? Alright, drive. Let's take us there. You're here? Okay, I don't have any money though. I don't have any money to pay you. Is that okay? Alright, bye. Guys, we just get a free ride. As I said, I try to go on the other ride over there, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Go. Put your hand on that one, then put it here, next hand here. He's trying out the monkey bars. Okay, next hand. Yeah, next hand. Good job. Next hand. Next hand. You need upper body strength, brother. Alright? You soon get some. The older you get more upper body strength. High five. It's okay.
How many ready that and then the same time?
Oh, you can push us? Alright. Just take your time, alright? Don't go fast.
Hold on, Javi.
You coming in, Jenna? Hey. Take that.
Javi. Yeah, but do it one at a time.
Well, if I can bring up to them breadfruit and the roast. They don't look ready though. Right, them young. Anyhow, them breadfruit are the fit. Go with one. Okay, so that's it for the zoo. Boys, they don't want to leave, guys. There they are, going back in. Oh, what's that?
Oh, good.
The bad man. Bad man now so shine. The haters them out. You see when the haters them out. So yeah, guys, that's it for the zoo. We're leaving now. Come Bugsies. There are no hippos. Everybody's leaving. Give me a hand. No, I must say everybody now leave, so I am to leave. So I'm stay. Come on. We have to go. Next time we'll come back. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get them some ice cream. Calm down. I'm gonna tell them we're coming back. No, don't do that. We're gonna get them some ice cream now. And then I maybe should use the bathroom, but I can't manage them, man. You said this one is out of service, eh? Alright.
Come to you. Land pallet. I'm calling with a bump on it.
Okay, guys, so we're at Tai Tai. Getting the chance to come back because as you saw in the last clip we were at Tai Tai and my battery died. Like, it was just not cool. So yeah, because we were just out and about for the entire day basically, filming a lot of clips, and as you know I film on my iPhone, so the battery life wasn't holding up. So once we got to Tai Tai my battery ran out, so I had to stop filming there, but I decided to just hop on back to close out this weekend's vlog. I had so much fun at the zoo with the boys. It was just such a fun day. They enjoyed themselves. Like, listen, them knock right over Ridge, myself included, because I was just so tired. So that was that for Saturday. We didn't really do much for Sunday because it's like the after effects of Saturday translated to Sunday, and there was just zero energy, right? So we didn't do anything Sunday. So this morning now I'm heading on the road to the fabric store. Not gonna take you guys because I'm sure you're tired of seeing the fabric store. So I guess we're taking off fabric store and supermarket off the vlogs. Like, you're not supposed to go to the supermarket or the fabric store for now. But yeah, that's the pre. I just have to run to make a last minute stop, just pick up a few little things that I needed. Like I ran out of, and I just need like a small piece, so no extra. So I'm just gonna do that and then get back home. and jump back into the sewing. I hope you guys have been enjoying these little sewing clips or these little work life clips that I've been including in the vlogs, just to, you know, give a little behind the scenes of what my days are really like. As I said, I won't show too much because that's boring as hell. But if you like it, let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to include more in the future. So yeah guys, that's it for this weekend's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I surely did. We all did. And I definitely look forward to more weekends like this with the family, where we just go out and, you know, enjoy ourselves. And as usual, I'll definitely share these weekend trips with you. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and most importantly, tell me, subscribe, right? I really appreciate you guys' support, and it just means so much to me if you just hit that subscribe button. We're still on the road to 1K. Like, so we're finishing strong this year. 1K, road to 1K. Hashtag road to 1K in the comments. So hey guys, that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.